Good morning, class 9 students. In chemistry class, I am going to tell you about that we are not doing the exothermic and endothermic reaction because you know very well that we are going to do according to our smart syllabus. In the smart syllabus, exothermic and endothermic reactions topic are not included. Means page number from page number 70, 71, 72, 73 and 74 are not included in our smart syllabus. So today our topic is about how does a reaction take place. This is the question. And how does a reaction take place? A reaction take place when the reactant molecules collide with each other. Collide means they mix up and they if we see in Urdu, collide means takrana. When molecules are collide with each other and to give a transition state. Let us study the following hypothetical reaction. Hypothetical means it's not a 100% confirmed, just a hypothesis. Means you can take any figure. They have taken a and B. You can take here C and D, any figure here for the reaction. Before mixing the molecule of reactant, A and B are in a state of the random motion. Random motion means they are moving in a circle or here and there. They are moving not in a specific paths. They are in a random motion. कहीं भी वो move कर रहे होते हैं. Separately colliding with each other and with the wall of the container. Separately colliding with each other. Separate they are attached each other or attract to each other and also the wall of the container. आपस में भी टकराते हैं और कंटेनर की वॉल के साथ भी टकराते हैं. Then they are going to do the reaction. Kinetic energy possessed by these molecules are not the same. Means when they are collide to each other, automatically they create a kinetic energy between them, but they are saying that kinetic energy is not a same between them. Majority of these molecules possess average kinetic energy, and but few possess more than average energy, while they are possess less than the average kinetic energy. Mostly 90%, more than 90%, mostly majority molecules have the average type of the kinetic energy, no more and no less. And but few possess very few molecules, they have the very high kinetic energy, and same as few are the less than average kinetic energy they have. When they collide means automatically we know that they have the kinetic energy between them. Some molecules mean majority of them have the average kinetic energy. Some are less and some are high. The molecule which possess more than average kinetic energy may also called as the excited molecules. If we ask a question, what are the excited molecules, then answer is the molecules which possess more than the average kinetic energy, also called the excited molecules. You can here write the question, what are the excited molecules, then you write the answer. The molecules which possess more than average kinetic energy, also called the excited molecules. When two reactant molecules are mixed together, all these molecules start colliding with each other. When their reaction is started, means they are collide, टकराते हैं एक दूसरे के साथ, अटैच होते हैं. Then collision will result the molecules result by the colliding molecules having average or less than the. उनकी collision, उनका टकराना ही हमें बताता है कि उनके अंदर average है या ज़्यादा kinetic energy है या कम है. May not be the produce any result, may not be able to produce. But when two excited molecules, they are saying when those molecules have the average kinetic energy, when they have the collision, they produce no type of the energy. But if they are more than average kinetic energy, means those molecules, those who have excited, more excited, then they form other reactant collide with each other, they may be able to produce the transition state. What are the transition state? As we know, as the chemical reaction of A2 plus B2, A2 plus B2, these are the reactant, and in the transition state A, B, B means they are colliding to each other. Means A collide to B, B collide to B, B collide to A collide to A. Or you can say it may be possible that A collide to A, then A collide to B, B collide to A to A again, and A to B. Means these are the transition state. Any state they can collide to each other, and in the reaction they will produce a B, AB product, mean AB, and they can also collide AA or BB. But finally we get the product that are the AB. Next one is the what is a transition state? Transition state is known as the peak of curve. This is the peak, mean high level, where there is the kinetic energy is on the peak level. So after a very short period time, transition state either return to the reactant or return to the product. When they collide to each other and they are at the position of the peak curve, then या तो वो फिर क्या हो जाएंगे, they move towards the product or they again convert to the reactant. The progress of reactant can also be shown in the form of the following energy profile diagram between path of the reactant of the energy. Here is the reactant, means when the reaction is going to start, then is the reactant going to the peak stage. Here is the energy, delta H is the heat, E is the energy, and this can be converted into the product or can be converted again into the reactant. This stage is called the transition state. So the energy of transition state is higher than the reactant and product because bond between the reactant and product molecules being cleaved progressively, mean वो progressively आगे को increase होता है. So the energy absorbed by the reactant or molecules in order to convert into the transition state is called as the activation energy. E naught is the activation energy. Here is also they have to show the activation energy, means when transition state they are means they are in the activation of energy, means they are their energy की activation की stage पे है वो. The difference between the reactant and the product comes in the form of the heat represented by enthalpy delta H of the reaction. Here they have to delta H on both stages. And this graph represents the path exothermic reaction. A similar graph can be drawn in the endothermic reaction. They are saying the path of the endothermic reaction. Endo means enter the reaction, heat. They have to show the positive sign. Positive sign means endothermic reaction, heat is added in this. And this is the exothermic reaction. They have to show the minus sign, means heat is going to exit निकल रही है उसके अंदर से. That is the two you will do these two reactions, past reactions of their graphs also. So today our topic is completed about how does a reaction take place. When you do this, how does a reaction take place, this is the answer from here. When you are the question what is the transition state, then you start the answer from here, and the graph is also included in the both transition state, endo and exothermic. Have a nice day students. Thank you.